Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. And thank you so much for clicking on this video. And to my 359 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for love and your support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make cucumber and aloe hairspray for reducing hair fall, to repair your hair follicles, to reduce hair thinning and increase shine and strengthen your hair follicles. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end and subscribe to our channel, and make sure that you click on the notification bell so that every time we upload you'll be notified. So you need some cucumber, as you can see. Like, I've already washed my cucumbers to remove any dairy which may be there. This is very, very important. And of course, like, I don't peel off the outer layers. I just proceed to grate. So using a grater is actually very efficient. And if you don't have a blender, a grater is very cheap, and you can easily access it. And you have to make sure that you use the smaller hose so that you extract the juice. So benefits of cucumber. In fact, I've done a two videos or three videos on cucumber. I'll link them in the description box below. So cucumber, like, is packed with vitamin K, vitamins like magnesium, phosphorus, riboflavin, B6 folate, pantothenic acid, iron, silica, calcium, zinc, and all these collectively help to stop hair loss and improve strong hair. So the vitamins makes the hair firm and improve strong hair. So as vitamin C and silica content of cucumber repairs and reduces thinning of hair. So now our cucumber is ready. So now we are going to our aloe vera. So, like, if you've been on this channel, like, I love aloe vera juice very much, or aloe gel. So I've just plucked some aloe, like there are 450 species of aloe vera. So, like, this one doesn't have a lot of aloe in it. So you have to make sure that you mix it in water to remove the aloe. So now we are cutting off the sharp spiny edges, and then we are going to scoop our aloe vera. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe today. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. I do share classic lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, how to have flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients. And I'm so passionate about growing our crowns, which our God gave us. All hair is beautiful, regardless of what it is or how it is still beautiful. We need to love it, impress it, and style it. Yes. And of course, you know what, friends, like, I've been praying for my hair. So, God is concerned about every welfare in our lives. Like, he knows the numbers of our hairs on the head. So now we are cutting across so that we can extract the juice. So, friends, like, aloe plant has been used for thousands of years, like as early as 1750 BC. So there are more than, of course, like 450 species of aloe vera, and it's a succulent plant that grows in hot and dry climates around the world. So it has benefits for many, like even this problems, like even skin problems, like wound, acne, burns. So aloe vera is also consumed as food and in drinks, and may have benefits for inflammatory bowels, disease, diabetes, hepatitis, and more. So of course, you know what, aloe vera is also good for hair. I mostly use it for hair and health benefits, like I drink it. I'll link all the videos in the description box below. So aloe vera will strengthen the hair. Aloe vera has active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids, and it's rich in vitamin A, B12, C, and this play part in healthy hair follicles and control greasy hair. Aloe vera has enzymes that break down fats and helps your hair to remove any extra oil that is actually sebum. Aloe vera will also help if you have itchy scalp, seborrheic dermatitis, which is a common inflammatory skin condition that affects the scalp. It causes dandruff, red skin, and scaly patches. So research is significant, shows that aloe decreases the scaliness and itchiness, and it prevents from UV damage, radiation that comes from the sun. So UV exposure can actually cause your hair to lose shine and color and make it rough and less elastic, leading to breakage. So the amount of protection from the UV light protection depends on the type of hair. So, friends, like, these are two powerful moisturizing ingredients that will actually boost hair growth. So like cucumber will promote growth. It will combat dryness of the hair and scalp by infusing moisture. It will strengthen hair follicles, promotes hair growth, reduces hair fall, repairs hair follicles, reduces hair thinning. It increases shine in hair. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so that every time we upload, you will be notified. So now you can use this hairspray like in between washes or on wash day. Yes, just to revitalize your hair and to make it soft. So at this point, like I'm spraying it throughout my hair. Of course, I'm in a challenge of twists. I've been doing twists for 4 months now. Actually, it's a challenge over 6 months. So like I'm in a protective hairstyle. So like now I'm just spraying my hair mist, cucumber and aloe mist throughout our hair, and this will actually help because you won't actually manipulate your hair. So now I'm just like dabbing the moisture in. Yes, if that makes sense. So are you going to try out this powerful cucumber and aloe hair mist? So thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. God bless you. See you in our next video.